This message was transmitted by the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. Multiple reports say that they saw Dalmatian with creepy eyes. Police are getting information about the Dalmatian, but all residents must stay away from this Dalmatian. If you see her, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for the city of Salt Lake City. At around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3 children were abducted from their homes in Salt Lake City. The first child is Nina Claire, aged 15 and 14 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, white dress, and yellow shoes. The second child is Connor Jackson, aged 13 and 9 feet tall. He was last seen wearing a blue t-shirt, black pants, and white shoes. And the third child is Dave Anthony, 12 and 10 feet tall. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt with a monster truck, blue pants, and green shoes. All of the 3 children were abducted by the Dalmatian. Police has got information about the Dalmatian. It is the character from 101 Dalmatian Street. The Dalmatian's name is Dolly E.X.E. If you see Dolly E.X.E. or the 3 children, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
This is Fox News for the state of Utah. I'm Samantha Roberts, and we have updates on Dolly E.X.E. destroying buildings at her path. She looks like a character from 101 Dalmatian Street. She is heading to the hospital to kill people inside. All residents must stay away from Dolly E.X.E. as she could kill you. If you see Dolly E.X.E., stay away from her and call 911. If you go near Dolly E.X.E., you are putting your life in extreme danger. Right now in the hospital is my reporter Nathan Stevens. Hey Nathan, what's up in the hospital?
I am doing good, Samantha. As you know, people in hospital have been killed due to Dolly E.X.E. Dolly E.X.E. can kill people inside of their house, but I got word that Dolly E.X.E. is coming to the hospital. It's not confirmed at this time. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Dolly E.X.E. has broken into the hospital, and she's heading for me. I need to get out of here now.
Oh my goodness, that does not sound like Dolly's voice. But anyways, that is all I have for today. Be sure to stay tuned for any updates on this crazy situation.
This is NBC News. I'm David, and this is an update that the Dalmatian, now known as Dolly E.X.E., is destroying buildings and killing people at her path. Rexy, a large Tyrannosaurus Rex, is searching for Dolly E.X.E. All residents of Salt Lake City must get inside of your houses, lock all windows and doors. If Dolly E.X.E. has broken into your home, use a legal weapon at all times. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this is an update that TV has the show of Dolly E.X.E. Rexy needs to do something before it's too late. Oh no. Dolly E.X.E. has broken into the station. I need to get out of here now.
Hello everyone, I'm Paul Dickinson. In NBC News, David has been killed by Dolly E.X.E. Anyways, Dolly EXE, L has gone way too far. Rexy needs to stop this creepy Dalmatian. All residents of Salt Lake City must get inside of your shelters immediately. Lock all windows and doors. If Dolly EXE has broken into your home, call 911 immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Dolly E.X.E has planted bombs to people's houses that could kill them inside. All residents of Salt Lake City must get into your shelters immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. Rexy will be arriving soon, and do not go near Dolly E.X.E. If you do, you will face certain death. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for the national level emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public inside areas. You are listening to the Salt Lake City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line will keep the emergency alert system. If you're not in the Salt Lake City area, turned out station providing news and information to the public inside areas. The emergency alert system has been activated due to inform. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We have bad news to the United States, as Dolly E.X.E has found out to bring back the Rowdy Rose pack. The bizarre lore of Team Umizumi, Rudy, Takadale, Inner Flame Candle, and the creatures are on the search for Rexy. Rexy will stop the creatures for now. If you see Dolly E.X.E, the bizarre lore of Team Umizumi, Rudy, Takadale, or Inner Flame Candle, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. All clear, I repeat, all clear. Dolly E.X.E and the other creatures are all defeated by Rexy. She uses a sword to kill them just like Toro. All residents of United States, you can get out of your shelters now. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Dolly E.X.E and the other creatures. Normal programming will now resume.